Okay, so for pre-cal, I would like to talk about the ambiguous cases again for today's lesson. Okay, so we'll look at some of the slides right here. So ambiguous cases is about the triangle once we deal with side-side angle. So anytime they see the shortest leg is less than the longest leg, you can always using that to test with the side-side angle case. So we do have A is less than C sine A, so C sine A is always the height of the triangle. So if you see anything like that, that means there's no triangle formed. And then A equals C sine A, that means there's only one triangle. And if that's greater than, that means two triangles exist. So if there's no triangle, we can just automatically stop. There's no solution for any, triangle. And then one triangle, basically we can just use law of sine to find out the angle or the side length. And then A is greater than C sine A, so that's one of the typical case. So we'll take a look at that. So like some of the problem that I put in here, so those are the one that with no solution. It's from the pre-calc book. And those are the one that, the purple one, the one with two solution sets. So now let's do the one that with two solution sets. Just skip all this. So now let's look at this one right here. So first thing that you want to go through is by testing that with the ambiguous case. So we want to find out the height of the triangle here. So once you do the height, so you'll see that the height is actually less than the shortest leg of the triangle. So that means we do have two triangles here. So one is acute, the other one is obtuse. So for angle A, so they're both considered 32 degrees. We don't change the condition here. So once you started with the law of sine, so you'll find out angle B. So let's use law of sine to find out angle B right here. So we got 49.2 degrees. And then for the supplementary angles of 49.2 degrees, then we'll get another solution set. The reason why supplementary angle, because that the other obtuse angle is always right next to it. It's like adjacent angle right next to it. So 180 minus 49.2, which is 130.8. So that means the second solution of angle B would be 130.8. Again, the way that I find out 49.2, you have to use the law of sine, which is sine of 32 over 7, and then sine of B over 10. And then once you take the inverse, you'll get that 49.2. And then for the first solution set of angle C would be 98.8. And for the second solution set of angle C would be 17.2. And now the last thing that you want to find out is segment C. So you see that one is longer, the other one is shorter. So for the first triangle, the acute triangle, C would be the longest leg. So expect that C would be the largest number compared to that A and B. So again, using the law of sine, you'll get that 13.1. And then using the law of sine again, for the obtuse triangle, you get 3.9. And now let's look at the other one. So it's also this one, you try to run through the ambiguous case test, you do have two solution sets. So we try to work on this problem here, and then we'll talk about that next time. Thank you for watching the video today.